Hi, in this video we are going to be seeing how to connect a MySQL database with a Spring Boot project. So we're going to head out to your favorite IDE. In my case, I am into IntelliJ IDEA, and the first thing that you have to do is to head out to application.properties file. Here you can see that you have it located into your project root files. And what you have to do first is to look at these three directives. With all of these three directives is what is all of the work that you are going to be doing to connect the database with your actual Spring project. So in this case, the first directive is the spring.datasource.url, and you are going to be putting this value of this directive. The first thing is to declare the JDBC, and then telling the Spring framework which database are you going to be using, and then you declare the localhost and the port number that your database is going to be residing, and followed by this last, you are going to be putting the actual name of your database. Followed by this directive, you are going to be putting your username, and you are going to be putting your super user that is owned by your database, that in my case is root. And then at last, you are going to be putting your password. Here you are basically roughly you are putting your password here, but you can use other tools like secret vaults to not show explicitly your password here, like in application.properties. But basically, you are going to be putting here your password that you have based on your credentials that you have on your database. So this is all for this video. Thank you for your attention and subscribe to this channel. Bye.